Oh no! Ah! Is it curling? Is it curling? What's up guys, it's Lily Alicia. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be just doing a quick little video on this headband wig that I did receive from Luvme Hair. Link and all the specs to the hair will be down below, so you guys can go ahead and click on it and see exactly what's going on with this wig. So I will be doing a curly to straight or straight to curly, will it curl back up type video with this wig. I just want to see, because this is some jerry curl hair, like kind of kinky curly hair, and I just want to know if I do, when I do straighten it, if it will curl right back up. So we're gonna go ahead and find out right now. I won't be flat ironing or straightening the whole wig. It's just going to be like just a piece right here, and I do have a mirror right here. If you guys see me looking over here, just want to see exactly what I'm looking at. I do have my handy dandy Nano Pro or Nano Pro, however you pronounce it, straightener. This is what I'll be using today, and I do have it on the highest setting, which is 450. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is on the highest setting, 450. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to take a piece in the front, and you know, we're just going to go ahead and test it out. So it does get straight, but the ends of it, I don't know if you guys can see. The ends are like, they still have some like curly pieces at the end, but it's not like bone straight. But for the most part, it does get straightened, kind of like how natural hair gets straightened. Well, this is curly hair, so obviously it's going to have like the natural hair effect when you do straighten out natural hair. So this is what it looks, you guys, after it's straightened. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and get my water, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my water, my spray bottle, and we're just going to go ahead and spray it up and see if it will curl right back up. This is a real test, you guys. Okay, so I'm not sure if this will curl back up, you guys. I guess we'll just wait and see. It does have some type of curl to it, as you guys can see. So it did curl back up, and I made sure not pause the video. You guys saw that I sped it up, but I did not pause it. I didn't come back or anything like that. Let me go ahead and spray this side, a piece from this side, so that I can see, you know, what it's like when it's wet, like how this is wet here. And let's compare the two. Okay guys, so this is, oh, I don't think you guys can see. This is the non-straightened side, or this is like the natural side that I didn't straighten. So that's how it is wet, and this is the side that I straightened. Now, it did curl back up, but obviously the curl pattern has dropped a bit due to me straightening it, but not too much. Like the top portion is still the same. It's just the ends that are a bit looser. I don't know if you guys can compare the two, but this is what the two is looking like. This strand is obviously the strand that I straightened, and this is a strand that I did not straighten. And definitely there is a difference, but it's still curly. It's just that the ends were a little bit more like on the wave side, but it's not a big deal. It's still curl back up. I'm pretty sure that it will still blend once it's completely dry. So this is still some good hair, you guys. The hair is still soft. You know, the hair is huge, as you guys can see. This is some big hair. This is just a natural style. Like, you guys can see that it's, you know, natural looking. Yeah, I still love the hair, you know, no issues, no problems, nothing like that. When I do cold wash the hair, or when I do wash the hair, I'm not getting any type of tangling, any type of shedding, nothing like that. Just at the back when it's dry, it does get a little bit tangled a bit, but it is curly hair, so that's expected for curly hair, especially kinky curly hair like this, jerry curl hair. Yeah, it's gonna tangle a bit, but not too much, not to the point where I'm just like, oh my god, I can't deal with this anymore, or I want to throw the wig away. Absolutely not. I still love the hair. The hair is still great. If you guys are looking to purchase this wig, the link to the hair will be in the description box down below. Again, this is the Jerry Curl Headband Wig in the size, or the length, 20 inch, and it's from Luvme Hair. I do have a code ALECIA Alicia. You guys can receive 20% off of your purchase if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair. Okay, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Always remember to stay beautiful. Bye guys.